Hello kids, welcome to TOON KIDS TV. Today we are going to color some shapes. Okay, let's start coloring. First we are going to color the square. We are going to color the square with green color. Let's color the circle. This is orange color. Okay, let's start coloring the triangle. This is yellow color. Now we will color the trapezoid. This is blue color. Now we will color pentagon. This is red color. Now we will color the hexagon. This is sky blue color. Now we have filled 6 different shapes with 6 different colors.